Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're doing great. I'm coming at you from my living room because my wife is using the office right now, but I need to get this review done. So this is my review of Profit Cyclone. This is a very, very cool product by my friend John Newman and Will Weatherly and Cynthia Benizzi. Benizzi? I think that's how you pronounce her last name. Anyways, this is a great program. This is a training program about basically how to really use organic traffic for doing affiliate marketing. It's very, very, very cool. They do have a little bit of paid traffic training in it, but most of it is really just bootstrapping organic traffic and showing you how to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the my bonus page that I put together with you or for you. I'll take a look at the bonus page, and then from there, we're going to go and look at the back. We'll look at the sales page. We'll look at the back end. We'll go through the OTOs, the upgrades if you want them, and then basically I'll give you my opinion on it. But you already know because I'm telling you right up front. If you want to make money with organic traffic, like free organic traffic, and you're willing to do a little bit of work, click the link below, go buy the product, and then shoot me a message because I will walk you through this stuff because this is a lot of the stuff that I'm doing. I love John's trainings. This is one of the first Will Weatherly trainings that I've done. I really like his style. He really makes it's really common sense. So it's a great, great product. Okay, so let's jump over to make sure I'm on my bonus page here. Where's my bonus page? Okay, yeah, here we go. So this is going to be my bonus page, guys. So we're going to scroll down. What you're going to get with bonuses, you're going to get Stealth HD, which is an incredible way to reach people's inboxes for your email because they do in this course they do teach you how to build an email list, which is really important. You're going to have Booster SEO, which is again important because they talk about doing blog reviews and that kind of thing, and all the SEO information you can have. So we're adding that in there. We're going to give you the how to master ClickBank because you want to be selling ClickBank as well as Warrior Plus. He really concentrates on Warrior Plus in most of the training. I recommend, I make money on both Warrior Plus and ClickBank every day because I send two links in my emails. One is a Warrior Plus offer, one is a ClickBank offer. So you really want to learn how to master that. And then Backlinks Warrior, this is again for your blogging, for your SEO. And then the vendors, they've put together a ton of bonuses. So you're going to get every single bonus. They put together some exclusive ones that we have our hands on that you're only going to be able to get through our group of people. So that is the bonuses. Popping over to the sales page, basically, guys, unlock our simple profit cyclone blueprint that practically forces $246 into our accounts in 60 seconds flat. So the way that Will trains, and Will is doing most of the training, it really is a solid long-term training. It's not just a quick fix, although like when something launches, you could make a lot of money on sales right away. It's, using that sort of launch jacking method, if you've seen some of my other videos. Um, but really, they really talk about doing long term, like they're setting up stuff where once you've got something that's converting, you're gonna promote that for months to come and just keep making sales on it, which I'm doing as well. I'm getting sales from stuff that I did reviews on months ago, and all of a sudden, poof, pops up a sale. And where did it come from? From either my blog or from a video review that I did, like this one. So go through the sales page, guys. It's got all the usual sales page stuff. We'll jump down to their bonuses here at the bottom. Some of the extra bonuses, and then we've got even more bonuses for you. So there's everything you get. Where are they? Wait, there's more. Is that it? Bonus number two, the first 100 people get access to the autopilot traffic software app. So you want to be grabbing that. And a bonus number one, plus action for the first 150 people get invited to how to make consistent 5K a month from home in the next 22 days live training. So you got a training one. Oh, here it is. The CPA project, Exodus, Profit Code, OLSP, Traffic Domination Group. So you get a ton of great group training. I've been in OLSP. It's amazing training by Wayne. It's really good stuff. So that is the sales page there, guys. And then let's go over to the back office. So basically, you're going to get a welcome to the members area. You're going to get the visual overview of Profit Cyclone. Do not miss this. This is by Will, and this is really important. It really sets up your mindset for what you're going to be doing with Profit Cyclone. And then the case studies are really important to watch. Go through the case studies, And then, of course, he goes into the nitty gritty of the training. So how to find the right offer on Warrior Plus, how to create custom bonuses, the blog review structure, review video structure. So it basically gives you the scripts on how to do everything. YouTube and blog combo, how you connect your YouTube video with your blog combo, which is really good. No face on camera. If you don't like being on camera, you could turn it off. Like I could turn off the little circle here on this one. But get used to being on camera, guys. It will really help you. And then list building to your Cyclone. This is all about the email marketing, social media strategies, hub exit strategies, basically setting up your hub. There's a ton of stuff, guys. Ton of stuff in here. So we'll go over to the upgrades. And the upgrades on this product are going to be as this. So you can get in for the front end is the $12.95. It's going to give you all the training you guys need. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, the pro level, which is a downsell of $17. So basically, it'll say $27, but if you go to leave the screen, it'll pop up and say you can get it for $17. It shows you how to make more content with less work, which we all want. So that's a really great upgrade. I really recommend that. The next one is the done for you. So basically, they give you all the content templates and email swipes for you. So for a downsell of $27 is great. And then steal our traffic. If you are going to go into the paid traffic and start doing some ads on Bing or Google, you're able to put a pixel on their sales page and use that pixel to target a market or target an audience of buyers that bought their stuff, which is really, really awesome. And then 2 times license rights. Guys, the license right upgrade enables users to get automatic approval to sell Profit Cyclone as well as deal of the day winning profit code. So you get to do 2 of them as your own product. That means you make 100% commission. Now, he talks about buying these upgrades when you find a product that's converting, because instead of making 50% commission, you get to make 100% commission. So they're giving you 2 for just $47, which is amazing. I highly recommend that. So I would probably recommend, if you buy the whole funnel, unless you are not going to do paid advertising. And guys, it's under $100. It's like 47, 27, 17, and 12, like under $100, and you're going to have a killer product and be able to make 100% commissions with this and their other one. And you'll have all the training you could ever imagine. All right, so what are my thoughts? Let me get back on here so I can see myself. What are my thoughts on this product? I think it's great. I love these training programs. I think they're actually more valuable than some of the software stuff that we sell. Some of the software stuff, don't get me wrong, is very, very good. You set it up, you let it run, it does what it does. But these training programs can really, you can take like this, $100 product, and you can scale it to as big of a business as you want using this method. So that's what I really like about that. So definitely give Profit Cyclone a 2 thumbs up. Go ahead, click the button below. You want to grab this now. You want to get in on those extra bonuses that are going to be available for the very first purchasers. And yeah, that's it. So that's all I have for you guys. So again, this is Profit Cyclone review. Click the link below and you got it. Make sure you hit subscribe. Give us a like, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.